Hey everybody, Matt with M32 Outdoors. The heat, the mayfly hatch, summer business, my regular job, and family life has kept me off the water since recording episode 3. So episode 4 is still in the making. I haven't gotten on that lake yet, but we did get on the water, but a different way. I'm going to take you on Riptide Ride out of Munising, Michigan with my family, extended family, my niece, my nephew, and 2 of my children, my wifey and my sister-in-law, and a friend with the business. We went up to Munising 4th of July, sold lemonade up there. Maybe some of you have seen us around. We have the lemonade stand called Summertime Squeeze Lemonade. I'll put a link below for the Facebook page. But Riptide Ride, it's a faster boat that goes around Grand Island and checks out the pictured rocks along there. Not along the shoreline, around Grand Island, and we get to check out a couple lighthouses. We want to take you with us. So come along, fasten your seatbelts, put on your rain jacket, because Riptide Ride, you're going to get wet. Show me what you got.
Okay, water bottle, snack food, everything.
Can't take stuff on the boat, so that's what we're doing. By the way, it's Matt with M32 Outdoors. Sorry, my mouth is full of combos. We're going out on the Riptide Ride in Munising, Michigan, and we're taking you with us. Riptide Ride.
I'm excited.
What do you think of the Riptide Ride?
Speed.
What do you guys think of going on this
I'm so
Riptide Ride?
excited. We're excited. I'm so excited.
All right, you can tell that Marion's already kind of cold. Abraham's not sure what to think of this boat ride just yet, although there's a smile on his face. Chris, Lisa, and Faith are up towards the front. This boat goes really fast, it's loud, and it's noisy, so I don't do a whole lot of talking while the boat is cruising, but there's a lot of narration as well along the way. But we're going to do donuts, we're going to do spin-arounds, we're going to get wet, but also we're going to get up close and personal with the lighthouses and the shoreline as we go around the island. This is truly a unique experience.
Are found on the northwest side. It is home to 2 lighthouses, the East Channel and the North Light. Enjoy hiking, biking, and camping on the island. A wide variety of wildlife can be found on the island, including fox, white-tailed deer, painted turtles, red squirrels, bobcats, and black bears, among other animals. It's actually pushed into the amphitheater. And so you see all that small rock, the cobblestone, laying in the floor of the amphitheater? That's what they've actually by Lake Superior.
Imagine the rocks that must be in there.
This is called the Rotunda. But you want to check in with local authorities before venturing out onto the ice. Just make sure it's good and safe.
Oh yeah, I see it.
See it? Oh yeah, I see that.
see, it's largely automobile, bicycle. You get the idea. There's plenty of things you can do on Grand Island. Now the cliffs in this area, well, they're about mid-size in terms of height, but they do get progressively taller as we continue to make. That could be a source of confusion, and now I completely understand it. It stems from the fact that the National Park chose to use the name Picture Box for the park. Do you know that term? Picture Box? Well, it had been around for literally centuries in advance of the park even having been formed. Now, some believe it was the French explorer Pierre Radisson who came to the area back in the 1600s to coin that term, Picture Box, when he was trying to describe the beautiful cliffs he's witnessing around this very island as well as those found on the mainland. Now, you fast forward better than 300 years, 1966. I think that's pretty cool that we spotted an eagle so early on in this trip. I mean, we basically just started this. We'll have traveled nearly 40 miles by the time we get back to the dock. Island yet to see. I'm confident we're going to see some more wildlife.
Grand Island.
It surely wouldn't surprise me if we could spot some more eagles
Ice
along the way.
fishing, camping, hiking, riptide riding. Check it out.
You're off to our left, guys. Now, in the summer months, sometimes you'll see people up for camping overnight. They just bring the camp off and do it. As you guys can see, the North Light's in fantastic condition, especially when you consider the fact that this lighthouse was built in 1867. And that makes it the oldest one in the area, which is definitely a technicality given the fact that the first lighthouse we looked at in East Channel Lake, it was built the same year. It's just this one's a little bit older.
with Abraham. Abraham, what are you getting on the Riptide Ride right now?
Splash, just a little bit. Just
Flies and mosquitoes.
Flies and mosquitoes.
Bring some,
just about
bring some
everything
spray.
went right.
We're on the Riptide Ride. All right, everybody, I just want to let you know that Riptide Ride has not given me any money for this video. I'm not sponsored by them. I just wanted to come out here and record it for the family, for my channel, and for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this Riptide Ride. As we come into Munising Bay, we're going to do some donuts. Everybody's going to get a little bit wet. This is something that they do, is just cruise around and splash everybody. So enjoy the last few minutes.
Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and have ourselves a little bit of fun. And I'm not going to be so concerned about the water now. So back down the hatch. And hang on until the water's safe. Just a kind word written about us on Google, TripAdvisor, some other social media.
Jeff on Abraham.
Say, you know, keep up the good work. It's really you guys that allow us to continue to put people on the water. Surely hope that we help put a smile on your face today. From us to you guys, hats off to you. Thank you guys. We appreciate you so much.
How was it?
Good. It was so fun. I'm so cold.
Are you cold?
Yeah, but
Did you get soaked?
not really.
All right, guys, that was amazing. Love it. Every time we do it, it's our third time as a family coming out on Riptide Ride. Again, this is Matt, them 32 Outdoors, or Trees, Wildlife, Outdoorsman, and in this case, Riptide Ride, Munising, Michigan. I'll leave the link in the description below.